YouTube. I help y'all on downloading the game and get this task for free on mobile. But I'm gonna teach y'all again how to download the game in a simple way if y'all can be able to understand it. And I got DLC 3
Huge location.
and 4 full version of the DLC. I'm gonna help you out step by step how to download. I'm gonna help you step by step how to do it. But so that's all I'm doing. Said I'm gonna get you straight to the video.
Now, to get this patch and DLC 3 and 4 that just came out today, I'm gonna tell you to you step by step right now. So what you gotta do is click on right here on your Chrome, and then you gonna click on GameHub. I deleted GameHub all the way so you can see how I'm doing it step by step, like doing the steps. So you click on GameHub, you click right here, Android download. Alright, it's downloading. So once it finished downloading, I don't know how long it's gonna take though. Alright, it's gonna take a while though. I'll be right back. Once it's already finished downloading, click on the Game Hub and then choose whatever you're trying to choose for that thing. You want to see Game Hub. Do you want to install? Click install. I'm not here. Now click on done. But I'm not just gonna go and then do the other steps. I'm gonna teach you how to open it and then set it up. So you click on open and then click on green. You're gonna see Game Hub. So there's gonna be email, Google, and Apple ID. Me personally, just go for Google. No email, no Apple ID, Google. Easier. And I'm gonna click my first one and blur that out too. And then click on allow the messages. Click allow, and then you see there's gonna be every single thing right there. But you click on mine, and then you're gonna be able to do the steps that I'm gonna teach you right now how to do. But there's like the steps and everything. There we go. Then we click on Chrome again. We don't worry about that one. And then we go to this one right here. I'm gonna leave the link down below in my description for the full all DLC this patch. So you get 3 and 4 from this DLC. So you got 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and 7 and 8. But 5 and 6, 7 and 8 didn't came out yet. So you gotta wait until those comes out. But you get 3 and 4 for this DLC. For this DLC. So click on download right here. You click on download. Wait. Let me turn off the Wi-Fi because that's how I did it without the Wi-Fi thingy. Okay, so for this you gotta turn your Wi-Fi off. I don't know why I might have to turn my Wi-Fi off, but if it works for the Wi-Fi on, then you're okay to go. But if it doesn't work, like the link and stuff, then do it without the Wi-Fi. If you have 5G, then you're gonna be able to download it. Oh yeah, click on the when you say it's okay thingy, click on the okay so that it can disappear and you come back. And then you go click on download. You're gonna see download, but mine just says download again because I already did it. So you click on download, and then it's gonna show this, like you're gonna download the game. But I don't have to do that because I already have the game itself. But I'm gonna teach you how to file it and extract it. So after that, you are going to go to RAR. That's going to be on my description below, so you can be able to get the app itself. Then you click on RAR. Then you click on your downloads, and wherever you have the game that you downloaded, that's where you gotta click at. So you click on games, and then you're gonna extract it. But I'm gonna show you how to extract it. Then you click on the check mark, You click on that up arrow thingy. Well, let me show it to you. This one, up arrow. Then you click on OK. Nothing else. You don't gotta click nothing else. Just click on OK right here. Click on OK. Well, I already did it. That's just why it's showing this screen. But once you do that, you're gonna see that it's already extracted. It's gonna be right here. You click right here, click again, and then you're gonna see this. All this right here, all this, that's all you need to be able to start the game. So now I'm gonna teach you how to download the game to GameHub so you can play fully. So we go to GameHub, and you know, like from Discover, it's gonna be on Discover, this and that. Click on My right here. Let's scroll to the left, and then click on Import PC Games. So click there. Allow permissions. That's how we reinstall it for you guys. Click on Download. Click on Game. You're gonna see it right there. You're gonna see this. This thing. Once you see this, click on it, and then you're gonna see this patch. Click on it again, and the game within the full game is right there. I don't know what's this one about, but this is like other things for the game. But there's the full game. Click on it. Then I don't even know. I want to add some pictures to it. Let me just add this. Then click on confirm, and there you have it. The full game of this patch on your mobile device. I just added like a random page there, so that's why it looks like that. Now let me click on it. Now it's done and it's starting to download. So it's downloading, and I'm gonna be right back. Once it finishes downloading, I'm gonna be right back and show y'all that it's already like able to play and show you the DLCs and other things about the game. It's launching now, and we are going to see together. Does the game actually really gonna start? And it is gonna start because I was right. Now let's wait. Okay. Oh, what's this? Game. So click on play. Oh my god, hold on, let me do this quick. Alright guys, you see the game is already downloaded. You can be able to play it. You know, I was tapping the buttons. It was on me like tapping the buttons. But now,
Obviously.
I'm gonna go back, exit to the main menu, and then I'm gonna show you. Y'all got the DLCs. See, playable, playable, playable. Right. Then they got this one, this one, this one, and this one. So once you finish these, once you finish like the first beginning of the DLCs, you can be able to play the third one and the fourth one. Once you finish these ones over here.
That's how you download this patch on mobile. So if you have any questions down below, please let me know in the comments down below. And I'm glad that I was able to help you guys to get the game for free on your mobile device, and for you to experience the game. If you guys really wanted the game, I try my best to explain so that y'all can be able to play the game for free and enjoy the game. Make sure to subscribe if you want to me, and I'll see y'all on the next. Oh.